Hello everyone, I am Rahul Kumar Prajapati and you are watching SST Paradigm Achievers. Today we will discuss on the topic of changing trends in occupation. Firstly, you should know what is occupation. Any work which is done to earn money, that is called occupation. We are doing some work for getting money. Your father is also doing some work for earning money. I think maybe your mother will also do some work for earning money. So a lot of people are involved for doing work to get money. And here two images were given in your book. First one is bullock cart, a person who is going with bullock cart, and there is a rig, some rig in this on his bullock cart. And the second image was idol maker. The people who is preparing idols and coloring that idol. It means idol maker. These two images were given in your book, and they are doing work, and we are also doing some work in our atmosphere. I am also a teacher. I am also doing work in this platform, and I am also getting money by this work. So maximum people in our atmosphere, they are doing work to get money. Now there are some other work that like metal work, stone carving and puppet making. The people are doing this type of work for getting money. Okay. Our next point is occupation in villages. If you go in the village area, you can see some people are involved in doing agriculture, and some people are involved in rearing animals. By this way, they are getting money because they can sell the animals of the product of milk, and they can get money. That's why they are doing their business. They are running their business. Here, agriculture. Maximum people are involved in the village area in agriculture, and they are also doing work in animal husbandry. And some people are also involved in basket making. Basket making is a very beautiful art they are doing. And mat weaving, चटाई बनाकर भी कुछ लोग पैसे इनकम करते हैं. In the village area, if you go, the land is limited, and people, because the population are increasing day by day very rapidly. So when the fulfillment of a person is not being fulfilled in their atmosphere, in that case, the people will move to the cities. Then our next point is migration of farmers. Migration of farmers to cities and towns. Migration, firstly you should know what is migration. Migration means when the people leave one place and reside another place, that is called migration. So the farmers, they are migrating from village area to cities area for getting money. But they don't have a very good skill. That's why they are moving. They are doing work in the construction site as a labor, because they don't have a skill. That's why they are getting job in a construction site as a labor. Because they don't have a skill, so they are doing job in dhabas and rickshaw puller. They became rickshaw puller also. Next, mechanization of agriculture. As you know well, our country is an agricultural country. India is an agricultural country, and maximum people are involved in agriculture. Almost 64% people are involved in agriculture. But what is going on? New machines have come, just like harvester, tractor. They are came in the field of agriculture. So the people have to leave their job because a single machine had done a lot of work in the field of agriculture. So the farmers have left their job. Okay. Our next topic is operation flood. Operation flood is related to milk production, and it was started by Dr. Verghese Kurian. He told that the food which was being given to the animals, it was not up to the mark. With the help of scientists and veterinarians, he had prepared some food for the animals, and by this way he had increased the production of milk, and he had also prepared a national milk grid, and he had also supplied by this members to other places in all our country. And do you know there are a lot of byproducts which were being prepared in our country, just like milk powder and ice cream. I think you might have listened this name and you are fond of this ice cream. If you get, then you will begin to eat, I think. So milk ice cream, you are eating ice cream. It has been prepared with the help of milk, and baby powder can be prepared with the help of milk. And okay, so maximum things, yogurt, curd, and other items also can be prepared with the help of milk, cheese, butter. These are other items. So there are the great importance of milk. If you drink a glass of milk, then you will get a lot of vitamins. So at least one glass of milk you have to drink at night after eating. Okay, and there is not only a importance of only Dr. Verghese Kurian, but also veterinarians and scientists had played a very great role in this scenario, in this operation flood. Okay, so the topics have been finished. Thank you.